you look at the animals very carefully and you see an animal that you think is black, such as one of the bears, that's black mostly, or the ibis, the Northern Bald Ibis that we have in the aviary. If you look really carefully, especially in sunlight, the feather might look black, but if you can see it in different lights, it's lots of different colours. The ibis particularly, it's in some lights it can look green, in some it can look purple. It doesn't ever look just black. And as I say, in some lights it can look blue, in some lights it can look purple, and it all blends in very carefully that you're not even aware of all these different colours. When you look at the animal, you see black, and part of it is black. So we're trying to do a painting of the ibis to get all the colours that you can see as it moves, and sometimes something that you saw that was black, as it moves, you suddenly see it as a different colour. They've got a lovely turquoisey green in their plumage, which, as you know, is when you mix blue and green together, you can get that nice turquoisey colour. So we're just trying to get a feel of the feathers and the direction that they're going. And I'm almost mixing this paint on the paper rather than mixing it in the palette. Probably a bit of a lazy way of doing it, but it's working for this. You see all the different colours that just blend into one there. And of course, the ibis wouldn't be an ibis without a punky hairstyle. So let's see if we can get that as well. I always feel a bit sorry for the ibis that is having a bad hair day, because he has a bad hair day every day. There, once you've got that hairstyle, you can tell it's an ibis. Let's get a little bit of colour into that. I think I got carried away with the black there. There we go. And then just to make him come alive, he needs an eye. And an eye is always the most important thing, I think, in an animal. So there's his eye. That's where all the expression goes as well. And for every animal or person or painting that you do, if you want the eyes to be alive, you always put a light in the eye. A little bit of white would work better if it was dry, that just makes it come alive.